We're in Muscatine, Iowa by the Mississippi River.
Oh, he's got a good line. That's a good line.
And we're headed to the I-80 truck stop for the truck show today. May I ask you, how the hell did you get a kangaroo?
From the kangaroo store.
It's a little baby. How old is he?
This is Luna. She's 9 months old.
I'm here with Bart at International. I wanted to stop by because I actually been hearing really good things about the new engine they got. Why is it doing so good? I mean, people are actually liking it. Like even for my clients that I have for trucking companies, they're actually placing pretty big orders on the new International trucks with the new engine. So if you want to just tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, so the question that comes up is what makes the S13 so much different than the competition, right? So the easiest way I say it to most people is if an engine has an EGR cooler, which everybody else does, right? Because you can see it on the engine. That means the engine, their engine, has responsibility for emissions control. Okay, so that means the engine has responsibility to lower its NOx value, its nitrous oxides value, when it's running down the road, right? So we decided to do was we built an engine that doesn't have responsibility for emissions control. In other words, the engine doesn't have to lower its NOx value when it's running down the road. So we just, whatever you're gonna blow out for NOx, do it, okay? So when you do that, and then you can make an engine, let it run on its own, so you can generate the fuel economy, you can generate the performance. The compression ratio makes a difference because it's 23-1. But my job is to put this in a truck and make it work better than any other powertrain by anybody else. And I'll beat everybody every day of the week.
So you guys feel pretty confident about this one?
I've been doing this a while.
Okay.
So we have a lot of confidence in what this is capable of doing because I do it every day.
It's Steve Best.
All right, let's talk.
Doing Muscatine party events.
My wife.
Hello, how's it going? That's my wife. She's going over here.
Competition. You will compete against your coffee cup partner.
How are you? How are you guys?
All right, we're Lombard here, about to do this, what is it, Trucker Olympics?
So the Iowa 80 Trucker Olympics, baby, at the Truckers Jamboree. Let's go.
Oh, I don't have a CDL, I can't compete. I probably smoke too many cigarettes anyways. So what are you guys gonna be doing?
Yeah, they got a couple events. You're gonna do a tire roll. You gotta try to roll the tire through the cones. And then you do a little relay where you gotta hold a cup of water. You got a partner, then you got a cup of water. And basically you gotta go through a tire, go around it. You kind of run back and forth and you gotta try to not let water out of the cup. And they mark some lines on there. So as the water goes down, they'll add time to your overall relay time. And then there's a strap roll up. You roll up some 4-inch straps, and then you do the truck pull right there. You pull that 13,000-pound concrete truck.
I want to try that.
And then a little water
I
blow.
would love to try that after. All right, best of luck, bro. We're gonna be rooting for you, bro.
Oh yeah, man, it's time to get some.
Go.
Outstanding.
Well,
Way to go.
that finishes up the second event. We're gonna get into, I think, 2 more events, and then you're gonna get to see me do a tractor pull once they're done. So we'll see what's popping. This was pretty fun.
Did you see that? He was practicing. That's perfect. Oh, stay. Oh, is it going? And that does not qualify. It hit a cone. Go first.
Let's check this out. This is gonna be interesting. I didn't have a CDL, so I couldn't do it.
Come on.
But let's get into it. Let's root for Lombard.
Oh, he's got a good line. That's a good line. Oh, oh, good form. Great form. Oh, that's a fantastic roll. That's a bullseye. That's a bullseye, folks. And so left. Oh, Ricky. Turn right.
You participated?
Yeah.
We'll get you on camera.
I was the lucky number one who hit the cone.
What's your name?
John.
So how do you like it so far?
Hey, this thing's beautiful, dude.
Yeah.
Thing's beautiful.
You gonna make this tire throw or what?
Hey, I'm gonna hope so. I just went first on there, and I'm the first one to hit a cone.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
oh, you
man.
went first already?
Yeah.
Damn. So you're out already?
Got the next event, but for this one, I just didn't get the points.
Well, we're gonna be rooting for you, bro.
I appreciate you, brother.
You'll see yourself on YouTube's and
Right on.
all the rest of the shit.
videos.
Thank you, sir.
I watch them all the
Appreciate it.
time.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that. Let's go. That's a good roll. That might have been solid. That might have been solid. Pretty much not, Jackie. All right. We'll do April next and then move over to...
Damn, bro, you better not fuck this up, dude.
I know. I was able to get it through twice yesterday.
Oh, you guys did it twice yesterday?
Yeah, well, we move on to the next round. They'll move the cones closer.
Oh, okay. We're looking at kangaroos and we're trying to see who's going to win the gold medal on a tire roll. But if this lady misses it, she lost. Let's see
There
it.
you go, Janet. Solid roll. That's a solid roll, but it's going left. Janet with the silver medal. Way to go. Folks, we have our winners.
There you go. We got a winner. Some dude named Mike.
And
And some lady won the silver. What's your name, sir?
Kenny,
Kenny. What's the kangaroo's name?
this is Miss Luna.
Uh-oh. Kenny and Miss Luna, team drivers. So tell us about your truck, man.
Well, it's a 1990 Freightliner FLA. It's got it powered by a N14 Cummins mechanical 13-speed, 370 rears, and with a good cold air conditioner in it. And we run it coast to coast.
No shit. Yeah, no, it's very reliable, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Best truck.
Yeah, this is my first memories. Was black one though. I believe black or dark blue. My uncle had. He took me and my dad across country halfway across the country to Washington D.C. and pretty much the same exact model, man. So it's very nostalgic for me. Awesome, and thank you very much, sir. I appreciate your time.
No problem. No problem.
Awesome. All right, here we go for gold medal. Gold medal for the 4-inch strap roll up. Let's do this.
go. Look at this. Here we go. Sit. Right around the sport. Gold, silver, bronze medal. Look at the whole output. Philip is just walking it off there. Come on, David. Make sure that strap is tight, David. We will kick this roll. If it comes off, disqualified. Here we go. Philip. All right. It's just coming down to it. Here we go. This is for gold. Who's got gold? Oh. Don't stop, David. Don't stop. This is for a 3 medal. Oh, Cody with the silver. David with the bronze. Nicely done there. Hey,
Good.
please head over to the booth. Grab your medal.
This guy. Are you a flatbed driver or what?
No, I drive van.
Drive vans. How you winning this strap competition?
I used to do flatbed.
Oh, okay. Okay. Good job, man. Congratulations.
The cement truck pull.
Hello, sir. What's your name?
Ernie Adams.
Ernie. I was walking by, seeing your truck. It's super beautiful, man. You want to tell me about it a little bit?
It's a 1982 short hood Kenworth. Bought the truck 6 years ago in pieces.
Okay.
Paid $5,000 for it.
Really?
Yeah.
So you put a lot more than 5,000 into it, for sure.
Yeah, we're a little over that now.
So you're from Pittsburgh?
Yes, sir.
So you do a step deck, obviously, right? We'll take a look at the trailer too.
Yeah, this truck here, I use step deck, RGN, stuff like that. Regular basis, I pull a 13 axle perimeter.
Beautiful truck. So I mean, you got a lot of shit. I mean, if we start listening, it's gonna be too much stuff. But you want to tell us like a little bit about it?
First thing we did was took the 400 mechanical cat out, put a 6NZ electronic cat in it. 18 speed, so I have cruise control, air rod front end, all custom stainless boxes, steps. We built the drum deck, fenders. I use a cutoff from a 2005 Kenworth.
Okay.
So it has updated suspension. Yeah, it's a 25 Mac step deck. We sanded the whole thing, disassembled it, sanded it, and polished it. It took us about a week and a half. A friend of mine did it for me.
So how long did this whole project take you to get done?
The tractor, it took us 3 years to build it in my shop. And then the trailer, we had multiple weeks working it, polishing it, building, bending stainless.
And you're not scared to take it on the road? And
I mean, I don't like getting it dirty, but you have to.
yeah, right, to make the money back for it. It's cool. Like I do social media, so if you want to let us know about your shop, maybe?
Yeah, I just do stuff in-house at my shop. And then my friend at Morocco Welding in Somerset, Pennsylvania, he does all the custom polishing or stainless work. And then Black Diamond Polishing from Bedford, PA.
Beautiful.
Who does my polishing.
Beautiful truck, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Appreciate it, bro.
Cool. Appreciate it.
Backwards. Time will absolutely start then.
They're doing the truck pull. Some Sarah free advertising. Hit me up. Where's my endorsement deal at? I need to add a tracking company to my endorsement list anyway. So there you go. Free promo. Hit me up.
Come on.
Good job. Hey, we're gonna get another try. There we go. It's gonna be a good time, too. It's gonna be a really good time. Angela has completed this event. Excellent start. Don't stop. Keep the pressure on. Stay low. Keep those feet moving. Keep those feet moving. Don't stop. Keep those feet moving. Keep forward. Keep that forward momentum. You got it this time, Cody. Don't stop. Keep it. Push through that. What a great. This is a good run too, Mike. Keep those feet moving, Mike. Right side across the shot. Well done.
How was that, bro? Tell us how that feels.
It's a lot of work. This thing's heavy.
I gotta try. That was an odd approach, bro.
What's that?
That was an odd approach doing it and like backwards.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know what way's better.
Did you do it both ways, the same way last time?
I did it both ways. I did it pulling it back and the other way, but I can't tell which way's better.
Because I'm gonna try it when you guys are done. So
right.
I'm definitely trying this after they're done. That looks rough. Hopefully I don't have a heart attack.
There was no time. Did not pop.
I am here with Dennis. Dennis, beautiful Peterbilt. I was walking by, had to stop you and ask you about it. So you want to tell us a little bit about the truck? I mean, obviously we're not going to go over every single thing that's done to it, but
it's a 1995 cab over Peterbilt Model 362. The trailer is a 2007 Great Dane 48-foot spread axle.
Beautiful trailer.
It's got a cat motor in it, 18-speed 355s. I use it in Wisconsin, where I'm from, just to haul some potatoes and cheese and beer. That's all you need up in Wisconsin.
What part of Wisconsin are you from?
Part?
Yeah.
Throw a dart dead center. Stevens Point.
Oh, okay, Stevens Point. Okay.
Yep.
It's raised up like this to get to the engine, right? I take it.
Yep. Back in the day, that's,
Yeah.
you jack them up and you can just work on them, whatever.
You want to tell us a little bit about the refrigerated trailer? Because that is beautiful looking too.
Sure.
So they can kind of see it.
It's just a reefer. You just set them on whatever temperature you want. They go from 20 below up to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. You just set the dial and it takes about an hour to get a certain temperature, and that's it.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time, sir. It's a beautiful truck, man. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Beautiful. I'm here with Terry about your beautiful truck, 1967. You want to tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, a 1967 Peterbilt 358M. It was built a couple of years, 66 through 68, I think. And it's, we bought it in 2014. It was an orange dump truck, and then decided just to, fix it up to be a driver. We have a local fuel distributorship, and then just kind of got carried away with some cute little things, and it became what you see here.
Are you guys using it to haul freight or no?
No. It stays in the barn most of the time. We drive it to shows.
Okay.
So it drives everywhere. It pulls our toy hauler.
Okay.
So it does pull a trailer, but
let's go look at the interior really quick because I want to show this beautiful interior in this one. So you want to tell us like how long it took to make this interior?
Interestingly, the wood floor is the original wood floor. We had them tear it out and, sand it down and varnish it. I did some of the upholstery. We modified some from Day Cab Company to do the rest. And then, interestingly, the door panels came from a custom car restorer. They put those in show cars. And so we just decided that'd be a little bit different.
Then if you want to catch us again. So how long did this whole project take?
It was being built for 7 or 8 years, and then another couple years for all of the bugs to work out of it. It has a 371 Detroit in it, so we've had a lot of work in time in order to get that working fine. But yeah, it's loud, but it's very drivable.
Beautiful truck. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thank you. I hope that was okay.
No, it's beautiful. My social media is Bobby Loads everywhere.
Okay.
So probably next week I'm gonna start posting videos if you guys want to see them.
All right.
I'm here with Randy. Beautiful truck. I was walking by, noticed it's 1963.
Yes, 63 Peterbilt, 351.
So how long did it take you to get it complete?
I bought it in pieces in 2018 and finished it in 23. Got it on the road.
Are you actually using it as a haul freight anymore, or just a show truck?
No, just for shows.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful. They don't make them like this no more. For some reason, the 60s are like such beautiful trucks. I think besides the flat nose, like 80s, I think the right next are my favorite are like the 60s ones, man. Like, do you feel the difference in the like older models and the newer ones?
Oh yeah, there's a big difference in how they drive and so forth. But always liked the old trucks, and I wanted this certain model, so I just kept looking around until I found one.
So what'd you do? Just retired from trucking?
No, I haven't retired yet, so I still drive another truck.
Oh wow! So this one's your show truck, and then you got your work truck.
I'm driving for another fellow now. I sold my work truck in 21. Now I'm driving for another fellow now. So
What kind of truck you driving now?
driving a Kenworth.
Kenworth?
Yeah.
No comparison, right?
It's a nice truck too, but yeah, they're different.
Thank you so much, man.
All right,
I appreciate
thank
it,
you.
sir. All right, I think that's enough of the museum. I'm tired. I need to end the recording for today. It's been a long ass day. Plus I had a couple drinks last night. So today's a little tougher. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it, seeing some of these old trucks.